I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the opening market minute for Tuesday, May 27th. Soybeans are higher to start the session, coming back from Memorial Day weekend, supported by a higher move in bean oil, which is up on some general economic optimism regarding President Trump's decision to relay possible tariffs against the European Union to July instead of starting on June 1st. Past that, of course, soybeans continue to keep an eye on U.S. planting and development conditions, which look mostly favorable in much of the region. Corn is mostly lower, expecting the USDA to report solid week-to-week planting progress in this afternoon's update. Numbers could rise pretty sharply on the week, as many areas did see favorable planting conditions over the last several days. And even if there were some rain delays in parts of the Corn Belt, that soil moisture recharge is going to be beneficial over the long term. Wheat is down, the U.S. dollar index is up, the trade's expecting at least some improvement in the USDA's winter wheat crop condition rating and another decent week of spring wheat planting progress in the northern plains. Live and feeder cattle are higher, supported by Friday's USDA cattle on feed numbers, which did show placements coming in below a year ago, implying tighter supplies later on this year. Coming back from the three-day weekend, cattle are going to be watching the distribution of this week's direct cash cattle show list. And hogs are mixed, mostly modestly higher, adjusting spreads and continuing to keep an eye on demand, especially the weekend retail clearance numbers coming back from the first official weekend of grilling season. With the opening market minute for Tuesday, May 27th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.